Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Christmas is approaching. Do you want to hold a party to spend this wonderful holiday with friends and family, but thinking that after the party is over, you have a lot of dishes to be cleaned? Do you feel a headache about it? Don't be afraid. The appearance of the dishwasher allows you to escape the predicament, and you don't have to worry about hosting a party anymore. The micro switch is an important part of the dishwasher. A micro switch is a switch with a small contact interval and a snap action mechanism. It uses a specified stroke and a specified force to perform the switching action. It is covered by a plastic housing and has a lever outside of it. Because the contact distance of the switch is relatively small, it is called a micro switch, also called a sensitive switch. The dishwasher itself has a compact structure and a high degree of automation. So, the sensitivity of the microswitch is very high. The requirements of dishwashers for microswitches are compact structure, lightweight, high repeatability, and durability. The G5 series switches have compact structure, beautiful appearance, small contact gap, snap action, high sensitivity, and small movement stroke. In addition, it has long life, high reliability, complete terminal types, wide operating range, multiple temperature levels, equipped with various types of levels, and has passed multinational certification, such as UL, ENEC, CQC, and meets environmental protection material requirements, using automated production, automated assembly, 100% full inspection of functions, appearance, and actions. Product quality and safety are guaranteed. If you want to know more about details, please contact us through the following website and email. Thanks for watching.